Hey guys, Mr. Goliath. So we are obviously using our tutorials and Piscal app, so you can go ahead and click that, and you're going to click sign in because we are going to save this. It's going to take 2 classes to make this. We use our U46 email for Google, and then you're going to click create sprite. There's a couple things we want to do on setup. The first is we're going to move the frames per second down to 4, and then right next to that is a resize button. You're going to click that. And we're going to go 128, and we're going to go 128. And then you can hit OK. So once we've resized it, we're also going to add in some layers. We can double click where it says layer 1. We're going to call it background. Hit enter. And you can come over to the paint bucket, click that, and we're going to leave it black. We're going to hit the plus sign for another layer. This one we're going to call alien and hit enter. We're going to hit plus sign one more time. And we're going to call this rocket ship and hit enter. Then you can move to your alien. And we click down here. We're going to change the color to blue. Like so, and you are ready to start creating.